illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a dolphin character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our dolphin illustration. We'll begin with a little teeny tiny circle, and this is going to be the dolphin's eyeball. So we're going to build everything for this character around the eye. All right, now we're going to start on the body of our dolphin. We're going to create a really big arc shape that starts over here to the right of the eye and circles around this way. We'll add the nose of our dolphin, which is one of their distinct qualities, along with their fin on their back. Come out and back in. And now we'll connect the bottom part of the dolphin's body. The wavy line that comes down to meet where we left off with the first line there. So we'll start with an upside down U shape here. And then we'll connect that with two more lines to create the fin there. Add the dorsal fin on top. And we'll add a few details here along the bottom edge of our dolphin. Make a line that comes up to give our dolphin a smile. And then continue that same line down. And we'll add two more side fins here. One on the front side and one that kind of peeks out from behind the dolphin. So one in the front and one coming from behind there. A couple more details. We've got an eyebrow. And if you want to give a little bit of a suggestion about where your dolphin is, you can add a couple circles around to make it look like bubbles. And that will indicate that our dolphin is in the water. All right, illustrators, there is our dolphin character. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So you can get colored pencils, crayons, markers, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. illustrators, the very last step we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, illustrators. I hope that you all enjoyed drawing your dolphin characters. And I'll see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.